back, it's Shelby, and today we are making over a welcome mat. So I have this navy blue, see if we can get it all on screen, there we go, just kind of thin welcome mat. I got this one from IKEA for just a couple bucks, and basically we're making it over so that it's not just straight up blue, that it's kind of glam and kind of have a cool scene and story to tell. So that is what we're doing today. I have a couple items that I'm going to be using. This is also from IKEA. It's like a little mesh bag that you can get super cheap, and I think it's to carry like fruit in your kitchen. But I'm gonna cut it up and just use it for the netting because I like the texture. And between this and the navy blue, I was thinking like nautical themed. So I also have this cute little kind of ornament. It's I'm gonna rip the twine out and just use it as a stencil, but it's of a boat, so going with the nautical theme. And then like just a thing of rope, just like a small amount from West Marine that I'm going to put kind of around the edges for a border. And then of course, because it's my project, something in there has to be gold, so we are using spray paint, gold spray paint as well. But I will link all of this down in the description if you want to twin projects and make your own, along with my socials. If you like the project, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's get going. I'm gonna cut open my netting here and just kind of see if I cut off the handles, what I'm left with. Okay, oops, didn't get that. Oh, perfect. So just like a little square. So this is going to be my ocean, kind of. Make it a little bit wavy. The boat is going to sit, here we go. The boat's going to sit probably right there. And then I was thinking maybe like a little, I don't know if I'm going to do the rope detail, but maybe like a little rope detail or something over here just to keep it interesting. And yeah, this looks pretty good. I think I'm going to do this, and we'll get it outside and get the spray paint on. Okay, so I have it all set up outside. Sorry for the noise. For the netting, I tried to make it a little bit smaller up here because the waves are further away, make the netting a little bit wider down here, the boat, and I decided just to do that in the corner with the rope just to give it a little bit of movement over there. Otherwise, it's going to be very like heavy on the boat side with nothing going on over there. So purely visual aesthetic, and let's get painting. Here we go. So I'm gonna leave this to dry. You'll notice that mainly I just went from straight above. I wasn't trying to get in any angles or anything. I don't want the paint under what I laid on top. I just want those outlines to remain navy blue while the rest is this beautiful kind of muted gold color. So I didn't realize, I guess that it actually like sprinkled while it was out here drying. So yeah, we'll just lift everything up and hope for the best, I guess. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Awesome. Super cool clouds and a little bit of ocean texture, hopefully. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Okay, cool. Okay, so I pulled in the welcome mat from outside. It's so cute. Look at how it turned out. So it's the awesome boat silhouette, a little bit of waves at the bottom, and then the rope made this really cool kind of subtle cloud design. It's not quite as bright gold as I was expecting. Normally when I use the gold paint, it's like bright gold. It's really more of a dark bronze, which is still cool, and the blue still shows through. It just doesn't show through quite as much as I was expecting. But it's still awesome, and I really love the way it turned out. I like the texture. It's just more subtle than I was thinking. But it's super cute, and I can't wait to put this out. So I'm going to do some close-ups, and yeah, that's basically it. So super fast, easy project, way to judge up a cheap welcome mat. If you like the project or the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now. So here is the mat outside on the front deck with the cement. The blue really shows through a lot better in the outside light than it did inside. Like I said, it's a little bit overcast today, so it's a little bit darker inside. Because I put the gold over a navy blue, it just came out a little bit darker than expecting. But look how cute that is. Absolutely adorable. That's the wave design that came out with the net. Kind of subtle, but perfect under the boat. And then the rope cloud effect. So overall, super cute. Very excited with how it turned out.